give me a good old rub.
Опа! А! Попались грешники. Смотри, у меня такие крутые, блин. Второй такой. Ты-то куда летишь? Ты-то куда, блин? Потому что... Опа! Нормально, нормально, нормально. Вот, второй.
Eat cake. Blue.
What a good boy. Don't do it, Gus. Gus, don't do it. Gus?
No. Hey, that's pretty good.
Bro, have you seen Joe? Have you seen Joe, bro?
Who's Joe?
Joe Mama! And just slap it onto your Barbie.
Gangnam Style.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, hi there. Don't mind me. Yeah, you guessed it. I'm just working up my brain again. Yeah, I thought I would just take some time to rip out a couple of chapters of one of my favorite books, Detective Runewall, Uncut Gems. Still on sale. Should pick up a copy actually so you can get the brain back into chiseled shape. Because the second one just arrived. Got it!
Hey, that's pretty good.
Look at this dude.
You serious?
There's been a sharp rise in the number of hijackings in central Gauteng, with one hijack taking place every 30 seconds.
Hijack. Hi. Hijack. Hi. Hijack. Hi.
Hijack!
Hi.
And just slap it onto your Barbie.
Blue. Holy shit, did you... That can't be it. Hey, Mark, get over here. What's going on, Bobby? I think I saw a snake slithering. No way, let me just... Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm gonna get the peeps. Okay, it's right here. Oh, Jesus, I told you.
What?
Hey, what's this talk I hear about snakes?
I don't like this.
Oh, God. Hey, hold on, just let me scope the... I'm out. Hey, Mark, I'll give you 50 bananas if you kiss that snake right there. 50 bananas, huh? Oh, shit. He's gonna do it. Oh, shit, he did it! Oh, shit!
No, if it falls from this fucking boat, flip the net over. Ah! It's an eel! Is there supposed to be eels in the water?
Preposterous cowardice.
He that shall not be named.
This looks like some sort of a lock.
Well, whoever's in here sure wasn't getting out.
Yeah, no kidding. Takes a month to crack into this thing without a key.
A key? A key. Now, that's what he was talking about.
Who was talking about?
This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and the short video I have for you today.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮은 온다 하사로운 인간적인 여자. 커피 한 잔의 여유 안에 풍부한 여자. 밤이 온 웜의 심장인 불가워지는 여자. 그런 완전 있는 여자.